Here's how to replace your rear tail light on your 2018 Toyota Rav4. All you'll need to do this is a 10mm socket wrench, a set of new bulbs. I'm using Sylvania 7443s. And you also need a set of rubber gloves so you don't touch the bulbs. I have links for all these tools and equipment in the description below. The first thing you need to do is remove these two 10mm bolts right here. So you want to back these two out so you can remove your light. Now you want to grab the rear light with both hands and then pull back at you, sliding the light out of its little plastic clips. Free it up. Now the gray one here will be for your blinker. If you ever need to change this one, it's an orange light you can see here. But if you need to do your rear brake light, it'll be this brown one right here. So what you want to do is pull off the little holster. Now you never want to touch these bulbs, especially new, with your hands. The oils from your skin will get on there and they'll severely degrade the bulb's life when it heats up and cools down so many times. So grab the bulb here with both hands and separate it like this. Now get your bulb, your new one, and replace it back in the same way you just took this one out. Push it in there. Now you're going to want to take this, put it back inside and give it a quarter turn clockwise. Now line your light back up and you want to push with both hands to slide it back into the plastic clips. Now you want to take your two 10mm bolts and put those back in to secure the light. So start with the bottom one. And finally the top one. And you're all set. If there's any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If not, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.